In this video, I am going to show the fifth experiment, that is Windows operations. For that, you have to open the Tosca commander, and after that create the new project. So I am going to use this project 5. After opening this, right click on the window. You have to create the new test case. So click on that and name it as a Windows operation. After giving the name Windows operation, for that we have to add the T-box operation. So T-box Windows operation. For that operations, go to the last, that is a search and add the test step. Here search for that Windows operations. Before using the T-box Windows operations, we have to uh, open the file. So we have to open the applications or the anything files. For that use the tbox start program. Use this. After that, then again go to the search. uh, as I said in the first, add the tbox Windows operation. Yeah, I'm done with this. After this, you have to create the Word file. So I'm going to the Word file. So you have to save this blank page in the D drive. So I'm going to the D drive. Here I am saving it as a test. Leave it in a Word, then save it, and it will be going to save. Then come back to the here D drive. Here you can see which we have created. So right click on that, copy the path. After copying the path, go back to the Tosca commander. Here in the start program, we have to give the path. So I have said to copy the path. I'm going to paste it here. After that, we have to give the um, caption. So I'm going to give the test star. It will be going to open this document, and the operations we can use any operations. uh, Firstly, I'm going to use the maximum operation. Now I'm going to show, firstly I'm going to show that I'm going to close this Word file. I'm going to run this only this test case, that is the tbox start program. So I'm running in a scratchbook. You can see it's automatically opened and the test case has been successful. Yeah, you can see it has been maximized and a test case has been done successfully. And I'm going to after maximizing, okay, it's opened and then it wanted to get maximized. So again I am going to close this. I'm going to run the both start programs and Windows operations in the scratchbook. You can see it's opened and maximized and the test case has been successful. uh, then of uh, then you can use the another operations. Now I'm going to use the, you can use the bring to a format operations. That is, if it is in the background running applications, you can bring it into the front, and then you can close it and maximize, minimize, and the normal, and wait on close, like this, in number of an operations. For that I'm going to use minimize operation, maximize, minimize, and then after minimizing, close operations I'm going to use. So I'm going to do this three operation. Here you can see I'm going to track this. Wait, in the Windows operations it is going to search for this test file, and it will be going to maximize and then minimize that, and final step it will be going to close it the program. So I'm going to run these operations in the scratchbook. Yeah, you can see it has been opened and closed. Now my test case has been successful. Okay, like this Windows operations will be used to control the any application automatically. In the next, I'm going to show the, now I'm going to show the Sankey operation. For that I'm creating the new test case. Right click, Windows, and create the new test case. Name it as an Sankey operation. Okay, after that, similar like Windows operations, we want to hide the T-box operations. For the opening the applications, we have to go to the, uh, as I said in the starting, there's a T-box start program. Yeah, I'm going to add this, and after that, as I said in a Windows operation, similar like that, paste the file that we have saved in a D drive. After that, I'm going to add the Sankey operation, that is a T-box Sankey operation. This will be going to control the keyboard, so no need the use of a keyboard to text to add the string in the word. Okay, here you can see in the captions, this caption is given to search for the file which has been created. So I am going to add the test. Yeah, okay, I'm done with this. Then I'm going to give the key values. This means you can give any string value. I'm going to give the Tosca automation testing, sorry, software testing. Okay, this will be going to type in the word I'm going to show by running this. First I'm going to close this word. Yeah, now you can see I'm going to run this Sankey operations in a scratchbook. Yeah, it's been going to open, and here you can see it's automatically type with the text. Okay, I'm again going back to the Tosca commander. Here you can see test case has been successful. Like this, I'm going to add another Sankey operations, or you can copy paste this Sankey operations. The simplest way is means you can search and add the T-box operations. This is a better way. Sometimes copy paste doesn't work, so I'm using always this method itself. So again I want to give the caption, it is a test to start, and then I want to say, okay, I want to select this Tosca automation software testing without the keyboard. So usually you have done the control A to select the all the text. Okay, I'm using command caps in parenthesis give okay, this will be going to select the text, so I'm going to wait. I'm going to close this. Three step will be performed in this stage. Wait, yeah, you can see it's going to run and it's automatically selected all the text. Okay, my test case has been done. I'm going to minimize it, so, and I'm going to close it. Again going back to the Tosca. Here you can see our three test case has been successful. So in the next I'm going to delete the text. So I'm adding send key operation. Simply click on this and right click on that and search for the T box send key operation. Yeah, you can give the caption as a file name, that is a text star, whatever the file name you has given. Can type here by the star at the end and give the key values. I'm going to delete, so I'm going to use double quotes. After double quotes, use the flower parenthesis, flower bristles, and then enter del and close the flower brushes and close the double quotes. This will be going to delete without using the keyboard. Okay, I'm going to run these operations from the scratch book. That's a send key operation. So it will be going to open this and it's going to type, select it. After selecting, it will be going to close it. Okay, you can see test case has been passed. In the next I'm going to save the text. For saving that I am using the another send key operations. So I'm going to search and add step. So in that I'm going to add the T box send keys. Yeah, here I'm going to give the caption as test start. After that I'm going to key value for the save, give the command as caps in the bracket, yes, small s, that's a lowercase s. I'm going to run this. Okay, I'm going to add another. Okay, I'm going to run this. I will show the step by step. You can see it's all steps and it is deleted and then it's been saved. You can see it doesn't has the save the don't save or save anything. It has been saved. Okay, after that I'm going to add another send key operation. So search and hide step I'm going, and then I'm going to add the box send key operation. Send key. Here I'm going to give the caption as a test stall. For the closing, uh, I'm going to give the command as an percentage in double quotes. Open the curly braces F4 F4, type as an in caps F4. After that, close the braces, close the double quotes, and then I'm going to run this in this scratch book. So totally we have completed this all the steps in the send key operations. So I will show by running this in the scratchbook. You are going to record it. Now you can see it automatically tested. It's been written and then it is closed. Like this, our test case has been successfully passed. So next I'm going to the another operations, that is a math operation. For that I'm going to create the new test case that is named as an math operation. I got buffer operations. So I'm going to search the add step. So search for the buffer operation. Set buffer. I mean, here I'm going to give the name as an add. Firstly, I'm going to do the addition operations. So here we have to give the proper command. So I'm going to give this math in bracket. I'm going to add 2 plus 5 and I'm going to close this. After that, run this. For the running and getting the value, use the translate value. It will be going to shows the value. Yeah, you can see here 2 plus 5 will be a 7. Okay, next I'm going to do the subtraction. So I'm giving the name as a buffer, name as a sub, and the proper command for this is math in square bracket. I'm going to subtract the 7 minus 5. So I'm going to close this. Yeah, to get the value, go to the translate value. Here it will going to show the 2. Yeah, so 7 minus 2, 7 minus 5 will be a 2. Okay, next I'm going to show the minimum value. So I'm going to give the name as an mean. So okay, I'm going to use the command as math. After that, in the bracket, give min, and in the bracket 4 comma 5, oh sorry, 3 comma 5, and I'm going to close the square bracket and flower bracket, and some mistake. Yeah, I have done here mistake. Here we have to give the square braces. Yeah, like this you don't do the mistake. I have done this. Give the square braces and clauses. After that, here you can. This is a correct syntax. So I am going to translate value, and the minimum value will be a 3. Okay. Next step, I'm going to find the round off value. So I'm going to give it the name as round off, and then yeah, I'm going to give the okay syntax in the square brackets. Right, it's as a math, and then as I done in the previous mistake, so I'm going to correct it. I'm going to round in the square braces. I'm going to give the round in the bracket, normal bracket. Okay, don't confuse this. I'm going to give a values of 3.1456. After that, close the square braces and double braces. Sorry. Yeah, I'm going to run this. Sorry, I'm going to translate this value. Okay, I forgot to give the another value, that is a 2. Now I'm going to get the translate value. Yeah, you can see it's the round of yeah. Okay, this completes the experiment 5. Thanks for watching.